Apple has just unveiled its latest iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max during its Keynote event, marking the renewal of its flagship products in the premium range. While the design retains elements from the previous generation, there's a major shift in terms of the button arrangement, the permanent farewell to the Lightning port, more screen real estate utilization, and the introduction of titanium finishes. Design, titanium and refined elegance. The iPhone 15 Pro features a brand new titanium finish, replacing the stainless steel of the previous generation. This change promises to deliver a device that's both lighter and more durable, with elegantly rounded edges. Titanium also aids in better thermal dissipation. Flipping it over, you'll notice reduced bezels that slightly trim down the overall size. Apple has also improved the phone's chassis and structure, utilizing 100% recycled aluminum and an aluminum frame that facilitates easier glass back replacement. USB-C, action button, reduced bezels, and rounded edges. However, the most significant design change comes in the form of the new customizable action button. While it defaults to a volume switch that toggles between silent and sound, it can be personalized to open the camera, initiate recordings, or even launch shortcuts. Like last year, Apple offers both the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, with screen sizes of 6.1 and 6.7 inches, respectively. The XDR displays retain the same resolution, HDR capabilities, and Dolby Vision support. As there are no major advancements in this department, the brightness figures remain consistent with the iPhone 15 series. 2000 nits peak brightness and 1600 nits for HDR content. Unprecedented power for unmatched performance. The new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max come equipped with the Apple A17 Bionic processor. This marks the industry's first processor built on a 3nm process, packing an astonishing 19 billion of the most advanced transistors to date. The GPU ranks as the fastest in any smartphone, while the CPU is 10% faster, configured with 2 high-performance cores and 6 high-efficiency cores. The neural engine is 16 times swifter than its predecessor. This SoC continues to harness ray tracing for improved scenes, promising greater efficiency than the previous generation and 4 times the speed. It also includes a dedicated USB controller with transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, USB 3 speeds. The A17 Pro further boasts a dedicated AV1 decoder, paving the way for video playback enhancements. Unchanged battery life, a refined camera system. The battery life remains unchanged, with Apple not disclosing specific capacity details. However, users can expect similar performance to the previous generation. The camera still features a 48-megapixel sensor, the same as last year's model. These are the only iPhones capable of shooting in ProRAW and introduce a higher resolution mode. Users can now capture images in a 48-megapixel HEIF format, promising increased sharpness, in addition to the standard 12-megapixel mode achieved through pixel binning. The iPhone 15 Pro also benefits from the improvements in portrait mode seen in the iPhone 15 series, featuring an automatic depth map when people are detected in the scene. This allows for post-capture adjustment of the focal point. The Smart HDR algorithm has been refined, offering better control over highlights. The iPhone 15 Pro Max introduces a brand new telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a focal length of 120 mm, and an aperture of f/2.8. The iPhone 15 Pro retains the three-fold telephoto lens, consistent with last year's model. Video recording can be done in ProRes 4K at 60 fps, and thanks to the USB-C port with USB 3 capabilities, video can be directly recorded to an external hard drive. The device is also capable of recording in log format, which provides a flat color profile for easier post-production editing and color grading. Additionally, they introduced the spatial video feature, capable of capturing video with all 3 cameras simultaneously. This feature is designed for playback on the Apple Vision Pro and will be available later this year. If you want a special offer for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, visit the link below in the description.